Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library, and this week, instead of a craft, you're going to get something really good. It's January, it's cold. What would be better than some hot chocolate? This week, when you pick up your craft at the Danville Public Library, it's really going to be a bag, and it's going to have marshmallows, just like these at the top, and the bottom of it, shaped like a cone, is hot chocolate mix. And so this is what you're going to get one of these. And when you take it home, you'll have hot cocoa instructions that look like this. And it will say, you'll measure 3 tablespoons of this into a cup. You'll have to get an adult to help you because you'll need hot water or you'll need warm milk for this. And you heat that up, have an adult help you. You spoon some of it into your cup and you stir it up. And then what are you going to put on top? Your marshmallows. And then you will have a really warm drink for January. So get your hot cocoa mix and have fun with that. Don't forget, we have a reading program January 1st to January 31st. You can call us at the library. It will be called Beanstack, and give us a call and see how you can get you signed up for that, or get on our website and read all about it. So thank you, everybody. Enjoy your hot cocoa. Have a good January. Bye, guys.